everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this aesthetic hanging planter. It can hold a 4-inch tall and 4-inch wide potted plant. Okay, let's begin. What you'll need is a crochet needle, beads, scissors, a 5mm hook, and a weight for yarn. For step 1, we're going to create a slip knot. For row 1, we're going to begin by chaining 3 and making 8 double crochets inside your magic circle. Now that we have our 8 stitches, we're going to tighten our magic circle and slip stitch at the top of our chain 3. For row 2, we're going to chain 3 and double crochet 2 in each stitch, increasing. Make sure to start in the 2nd stitch. You should have a total of 16 stitches in the 2nd row. Slip stitch at the top of the chain 3. For row 3, we're going to chain 3 and have 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Now we're going to complete 2 double crochets in the 3rd stitch. Repeat this pattern, 1 double crochet in 1 stitch and 2 double crochets in another stitch, alternating until the end of the row. Slip stitch at the top of the chain 3. Row 4, we're going to chain 3, and in the stitch before the chain, we're going to create a cross double crochet. Chain 4 and cross double crochet in the 5th and 4th stitch. Chain 4 again, and cross double crochet in the 5th and 4th stitch. Repeat until before the last cross double crochet stitch. When you finally reached your last cross double crochet, we're going to chain 4 and then slip stitch at the top of the chain 3. Row 5, chain 3 and cross double crochet. Chain 4 and cross double crochet in the 3rd and 2nd chain. Repeat chaining 4 and cross double crocheting in the 3rd and 2nd chain until the end of the row. Remember to chain 4 and slip stitch at the top of the chain 3. For row 6, you're going to repeat the instructions from row 4 and 5. Row 7. After slip stitching, you're going to chain 3 and double crochet in each stitch and chain. Slip stitch at the top of the chain 3, cut and secure your work. For the hanging strings, we're going to chain 56, which is approximately 28 inches folded in half. Cut and secure your work. Repeat for the second string. Place markers that keep the pot balanced. I placed 2 markers on each side of the seam where you chain 3, approximately 7 stitches from the slip stitch and 6 stitches from the purple marker. Next up is the hanging beaded string. We're going to slip knot and chain 46 to 50 chains. I place my string between the first row of the base. Place the beads onto the string. Then knot the bottom of the string. Hide any loose ends and repeat for the other side. Here's how it looks on a 4-inch tall and 4-inch wide artificial potted plant. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love to see your guys' work. Please tag me and share on Instagram at OfficiallyFrilled. Links are down below as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!